If your idea of the perfect holiday includes getting up close to nature, then Krabi in Thailand's south offers some stunning national park excursions that will take you away from the area's famous beaches and into a leafy green wonderland. Climb into a long-tail boat like this and you can venture through mysterious gorges and a maze of mangrove-lined waterways. Venture past limestone sea caves, hidden lagoons, and towering cliffs.
Now, if you really want to get up close to the local culture, then take a long-tail boat ride like this. It's also a good opportunity for some bird watching.
There is a stunning array of bird life, and if you turn off the engine, you'll hear a cacophony of song.
Well, this is pretty hard work for our boatman, but I do prefer the sound of silence rather than the typical boat engine you've got coming right past us now.
This is a truly breathtaking experience that will let you see another side of Krabi.
It's absolutely stunning. And when you get right up close to these limestone formations as well, that's what's really amazing about a trip like this. You can actually reach out and touch it. If we're lucky, we might see a monkey or two.
You'll venture into island caves that are locked away at high tide. You may bump into local fishermen or another group of explorers.
You having a good time? Yeah, it's beautiful, yeah. My friends over there. Bye, guys.
The local people who call this home have names for all the rocks and will show you animals, signs and faces in the rocky shadows of the limestone surrounds.
Now, if you look over there on the cliff, you'll see what looks remarkably like a human face. Now, the local Thai villagers say that in the morning the face is smiling and in the afternoon it's staring stoically straight ahead. I don't know about you, but it looks pretty scary.
You can stay in the boat or be adventurous and climb onto the cliffs and into the caves.
Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can climb up into one of the local caves like this. You never know what you'll find.
Our journey drifted along. Our tour guide also showed us his secret fishing spot. Local children also make the most of the waterways to cool down. Our last stop of the day was Krabi's famous Tiger Cave Temple, Wat Tham Suor. The temple is aptly named because of the rock outgrowth nearby resembling a tiger's claw. The temple is located about 3 kilometers from Krabi town, and its spectacular setting in the Ao Lak Tanu mountain ranges provides the necessary quiet atmosphere for meditation. The area is well lit and very well maintained, preserving the serenity of the environment. Some 250 monks and nuns live in the temple compounds, and you can venture in quietly for a closer look. Thailand's southern province of Krabi is a must-see, whether you are a sun seeker, a water baby, or a nature lover. You'll find everything you need for the dream holiday of a lifetime.